Today, we're going to make toast. Not so exciting, is it? But it's what we're going to do, and we're going to do it in our Ninja Combi, which does make it exciting, because I didn't know a Ninja Combi could make toast, but it actually has a toast function and different shades, and the book says you don't even have to flip this toast. So we're going to experiment with this, and we're going to use good old, everyday, great value, which is Walmart, white sandwich bread, no high fructose corn syrup, just good old-fashioned bread. We're going to do 2 pieces of toast in our Ninja Combi today to see how it comes out. This is very interesting. So I'm just going to take the first 2 slices that come up there in the package. We're going to drop them right in, like so, and we're going to go make some toast. To make toast in the Ninja Combi, you're going to have to make sure your lever at the top is in the down position. That's the air fry mode. And then we're going to hit this button right here, and we're going to scroll down to toast. And our choices for toast are light, medium, and dark. Let's go for medium toast today. How many slices do we have? Well, over here, we're going to pick 2 slices. Now, our first experiment was to see if it needed a preheat. If it needed a preheat, it would not say add pot. It would just go ahead and start preheating. So we do not need to preheat this. We need to just add their toast in and get to cooking. Now, this is supposed to be automatic. Looks like 6 minutes is medium. And we're just going to let the Combi do its thing. The most I'm going to do is push the light every once in a while and take a peek in there. This is very exciting for something that should be boring. But I've never made toast in a device like this before, so we'll see what happens. We're about 2 minutes or so in. Let's take a quick peek. I know you can't see through that glass very good, but I'm looking for you. Right now, I see no toast. It just looks like bread to me, so we'll check back in a few minutes. Did you know that the Ninja Combi, when you use the light function, has a timer on it by default? So if I talk long enough, you'll watch it work, the light will just shut itself off. This is a great feature because I often forget to turn things off and get yelled at for it. So in this case, it'll turn it off for me, and there we go, I talked long enough. We'll come back in 3 minutes. We'll see if we got toast or not. Well, I wanted to let you know, as you can see now, we're fogging up pretty good here. At just under the 2-minute mark, the air fryer kicked on the top. I was starting to worry that something was broken or not working, because how are you going to make toast on both sides? But it's on now. I heard it click on and I could feel it vibrating. So we've got heat from the bottom for the oven part, and now we've got heat coming down. This thing should be timed out perfect. They know what they're doing. They're at the Ninja Company. Well, we're almost done, and I can definitely see browning on the top of the bread now. Pretty impressive, a little over 6 minutes or so. Make sure, safety first, guys. Wear the biggest, heaviest duty gloves that you've got. And let's take a look and see if we do indeed have medium toast or burnt bread. Well, we definitely have medium toast. Look at that. Oh, that's a little hot to hold. I'm going to flip one for you. And same on the other side. Let's get it on a plate real quick. Well, there it is. Fresh from the Ninja Combi. 2 pieces of toast. Hear that crisp? Now what I've got here is some spreadable butter. This is not margarine. This is actually cream mixed with a little olive oil and sea salt. I'm not a big fan of margarine, to be honest. But anyway, this is really fresh right out of the the Combi. Let's see if it will melt my spreadable butter. It seems to be doing just fine. Oh yes, it's melting. So it kept it good and hot. Obviously, the longer I let it sit out here on the counter, the cooler it's going to get. So let's go ahead and give that thing a taste test while we can. But before we do, let's take a closer look. So first off, that is the top. That is the bottom. I don't really see a difference in color, so that came out perfect. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and break one for you. You might or might not be able to hear that crisp, but you can see it. So we're still soft in the middle, crispy on the outside. So this is definitely different than cooking in a toaster oven, or a toaster, I mean, like your regular pop-up toaster. So this is medium. I might want to try a light next time to get closer to what I do in my toaster, but that's perfectly cooked. That butter is melted. I'm going to try it. So first we're just going to go for that piece that I broke with nothing on it, just to see how it is. Very crispy. That's good though. Quite a bit different than the pop-up toaster. I kind of like that. It added a little flavor to it somehow. I don't know how, but that's good. Now, let's try some with the butter on it. Oh yeah, grilled cheese wheels are spinning. Well, that's a win. It's not as fast as a pop-up toaster. Okay, it took about, what did it start at 6 minutes and 10 seconds or something? A little over 6 minutes. A pop-up toaster, I never timed one, but it doesn't seem like it takes 6 minutes. I also chose medium. So clearly if I had chosen light, it probably would have done 4 or 5 minutes, something like that. I'd call that a win. Easy. And the best thing about it is I can probably put 6 pieces of bread down in there where a pop-up toaster can only do 2. So if you need to make a lot of toast at once, there you go. Anyway, once again, Ninja Combi, fantastic. Make sure you check them out, pick one up. I'll have a link pop up somewhere or another so you can look at it. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to enjoy this toast.